Alrighty, hey, so today is a little bit different. As you can tell by the title of this email, we are not talking about interest rates. We're not talking about data. We're actually not talking about the housing market. Shocker. What I wanted to come on here today is talk about something that is impacting my life, something that I've been doing. I don't talk much about, but I'm gonna share a little bit about the story, how I got this place of, Kenny, what are you talking about? 30,000 meals in 3 hours. Can you explain? Sure. Well, first of all, I say is happy holidays because we're coming to the holiday season. It's about giving back and impact, but I've been thinking about sharing what I've been doing lately. And I just figured, you know what? I'm gonna come on in front of the camera like I always do and share about what I'm doing. And I hope I can encourage some of you. Maybe I can impact some of you. And also maybe I'll hear back from some of you of stuff that you're doing that I don't know. So anyways, we have been living in La Jolla for almost 4 years now. We moved our office here, and in the community, whether it's gym or people close, I got invited to the local Rotary here. As sad as this is gonna sound, I've heard of the name Rotary. I've heard of Rotary. I had a concept of maybe what it was, but I really did not understand what Rotary was. Obviously now I've joined it, I know it. So every Thursday we meet up here at the La Jolla Shores. If it's something you would like to do or check out, hit me up. Love to take you as a guest. Second thing is Rotary. I've met some of the most amazing, impactful people that are there every week. Also, the people that come in and share the stories about what they're doing around the community with foundations, whether it's food, whether it's health, whether it's educational. I mean, you name it, it's amazing. And so I have been wrestling around for many, many years of something that I wanted to get involved with. I just didn't know. Crystal and I have written checks at different things throughout our, over the past years, but I was like, I want to physically get involved. I also know that my daughters are getting older and I wanted them to understand that giving back and being a good person and understanding what you have and where, what you have, where you live and all those things, like how lucky and grateful, how lucky we are that we get to live in this great place, San Diego, La Jolla, and all that we have, that don't take it for granted. We need to use our talents. We need to use our gifts. We need to use our resources, our brains, body, soul, mind, whatever it is, and give back. And so the Rotary has really done that for me. I've done some volunteering, some stuff. I'm still making my way in there to figure out exactly what I really, really want to do with this. But today, I wanted to share something that we're doing that we finally scheduled out and we committed to. It's on December 6th. It's at the Bird Rock Elementary on a Saturday from about 9 o'clock till 12:30. And we are going to make 30,000 meals in 3 hours. And we're going to do that with probably half adults and half kids. So I'm really excited. They probably have not done it really with this many young kids. So it's exciting. So how did I do this? Why did I do this? And where are we at? So Chris came in, that's an outreach program, came into the Rotary, started sharing about this. And I was like, wait a minute, you made 30,000 meals in this fast? This is crazy. And I saw it and I stopped me in my tracks. I was like, wait a second here. I want to do this. I didn't know how. And I said, well, I want to do this with my daughters and their friends and the other parents that are like, they want to do something with their kids that's impactful. That's not, maybe that with their attention span, we can get it done. And so this literally checked all the boxes, meaning I think I can make this work. So me and John, who is the president, he reached out to the principal. Like I said, we didn't really know how it's going to go. We said, hey, we'd like to do this for the school. We need to use your facilities. And at first he's like, what is this thing? And so obviously as we move forward, we got the thumbs up and we just keep going on. We made it set. And so we are committed to December 6th. Like I said, it's from about 9 to 12. We're going to have 2 different shifts. And so I just want to come on here today and say, look, I'm really excited about this. I wanted to share this with you guys, my community, who I come on here every freaking week, I think, every other week, pretty much every week, and talk about real estate and finance and data and rates and all that stuff and what's going on. But I want to talk about something different. And so it's the giving season. We're coming to the holidays. And hey, I hope this encourages one of you. I hope this motivates one of you, just like it did with me. But if you're sitting on the fence about maybe joining like a Rotary and want to check it out, let me know. If you think what I'm doing here is really cool and impactful and you want to maybe see if there's any room left, obviously there'll be a link in the email and you want to click on it and try to volunteer or come. If there's room, please do. We are limited to, I think, a couple hundred people and it's probably going to get filled up very quickly. But more importantly, if you think what I'm doing is cool and you would like to donate, whether it's $5, $1, $10, $100, $500, please do. And I am doing this to make an impact. I am doing this to make an impact with my children, with the school, and the school's super excited about it because your kids don't get to do things like this and make 30,000 meals and walk away and say, oh my gosh, this is awesome and got to feed that many people. And so this is hopefully one of many things we're going to be doing. We're hoping to make this a yearly tradition. So I just wanted to come on and say, happy holidays and basically let you guys know what I'm up to and what we're doing. And so real quick, let me show you a quick little video right now as we walk through this thing. So as you can see the video they're showing, this is what it is. I went over there and checked this out at a church. This is a different event. You can see there's like assembly line set up. They make the food, there's music, there's people laughing, dancing. Maybe these pictures are a little more serious, but you are moving and grooving. You're making a couple thousand meals per table per hour. And so we just have to count out the tables. So you need a certain size space, you need electricity, you need tables, and you need motivated people, and you need to raise some money, and basically you can make an impact. And so we are going to make 30,000 meals in 3 hours. It's going to go to the San Diego Food Bank. And so if you'd like to support me, the link is below in the email, and I would love to. If you'd like to share with me of any impactful stuff you're doing that maybe you'd like to come in and share with our Rotary, please do. That's kind of saying this message. I'd love to hear from you and what you're doing. If there's something you're working on too that you'd like to share with me, that you're looking for donations or feedback or maybe help, and I can get involved or help. Obviously, we're all busy schedules, but if we can make the time, I would love to. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to reach out and say, hey, number one, thank you so much for always, believing in me and using me and supporting me. And so this is just me being a little bit different. And this is me saying, hey, I'm kind of doing something different here, and I wanted to share with you guys, and I thought you guys would think it's cool because I think it's cool. And I hope this makes a huge impact on my kids and the kids around them and their friends and the families, and I'm really excited. So anyways, I really appreciate you guys. If you want to help out, please do. If not, I'd love to hear from you, but anything you're doing, please let me know. And look, I'm here in the village. If you guys are ever around, come by, say hi. And if you want to go to Rotary, hit me up. And if you've got anything you want to share with Rotary too that you're doing, that's super cool. I'd love to share because it's an amazing group of people in there that are looking to help volunteer, write checks, give back, resources, however maybe we can help. So anyways, guys, as always, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And sorry this week we did not talk about data, rates, real estate, or this, but I will leave you with this. On my next video, we will. And yes, I will say this, rates will continue to come down through this holiday season. So some of you, Christmas may be here earlier.